Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have Comfneat, and these are men's 5-inch performance boxer briefs, and I'm going to show you guys what these look like here. There's 3 in here, but it actually came with 4, so you can guess where the 4th one is. On me. So it came with 2 of each of the colors. So this is it here. It's super comfy. It's like a silky, stretchy, spandexy kind of feel to it, and it's real comfortable. It's got I guess it's comfortable. It's got a good name, Comfneat, and it's got the little pea pocket or whatever there. And then here's the black one. This is what this one looks like here. Nice and sleek looking one here. And I got size let's see, medium. So I got a medium, and I'm about 185 pounds, and here we go. This is what it looks like on me, and you can see it fits on here pretty good. Here's my butt, and there, and you see it's nice, tight fitting, everything like that. Everything fits in its place, and it feels on good. Feels almost like I'm wearing nothing. Probably looks like I'm wearing nothing too. But this is it. This is my underpants, and they're comfortable, and I like them. So 185 pounds, get a size medium. So I like it. Thumbs up for sure.